Guys, it's me, Hayden. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my Nerf guns. I have like millions of Nerf guns. It's cool. So I'm gonna get the Nerf gun. It's this one. First, it's this one. It's a cool gun. It's like you can ready, but there's no bullets in it right now. I'll shoot it, but it's cool. You open it. You can put 3 darts in there. Shut it, then you shoot it. So, sorry, it'll take too long to put 3 darts in it, so I'll just pause it, and then I'll put 3 darts, and then it'll be loaded. Ready, guys? It's gonna be loaded in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, ready? I'm gonna shoot it from right here. Ready? Wait, I'm gonna shoot it. Wait, I'm gonna shoot it right here. You can barely see that. What the heck? The last bullet. So you kind of self shoot it right here. Back there. There, shot it. It's really cool. And it's a mega gun. It's still, Nerf makes the best Nerf guns. I have a couple of zombie strike guns, but it's just so cool. Okay, move that to the side. Next gun is going to be this gun, guys. It's this gun, but it takes too long to fill all that up. So I'll just, this is what it does. I'm not going to shoot a bolt at it, but you just keep on pulling it back, and then every time you do it, see how the barrel things move? See? Whoa, that scared me. Wait. Okay, sorry. So, okay, it's a really cool gun. So, moving on to the next one. This one's a big one. A big gun. This one's a rifle. It starts from here, goes so long. It's a knife rifle. You snap it back and you shoot. It's gonna be loaded. 3, 2, 1. Wait, sorry. Oh my gosh! Okay, guys, it's all loaded. I'm gonna press it back, and I wanna shoot it. I'm gonna get back and shoot it. Oh, shoot. As you can see, it got stuck to the wall. It's a sticky dart. The sticky dart's right there. I gotta see, sorry guys. Yo, just so sorry. You probably didn't see it, but okay, next one. We'll shoot it back here. Shoot. Is that it? One more. Oh shoot, that made a loud noise. Okay. Move on to the next one. Dude, literally, I have so much of these. I'll prove it. I have more than just 2, but I have a lot. So, that's fine, you just already good. Moving on to the next one. It's this one. If you can see how it's kind of dirty. It's because my friend Davion gave it to me. He's a nice friend, but he gave it to me for free. He literally just gave this to me. You know what's the sad thing about this? Only 2, there's 3. Only 2 barrels in here work. Watch. I'm just gonna fill 2 because you already know. Look. Oh, did it just shoot 2 at a time? That was weird. It doesn't usually do that. Watch, I'm gonna see if it does it again. Stay in there. Ready? Why is it shooting 2? Well, that's sad. It usually only shoots 1, but move on to the next one. I have another one of these. Wait. I never showed you this. Sorry, why did I say that? So it's gonna all be loaded in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna shoot it back here. 3, 2, 1. It's a nice one. 3, 2, 1. There's still 1, 2, 3, 4. There's still 4 more. I'm not looking. Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. There's still... Oh, my gosh. Okay, ready? Okay, that's it. I'm going to move it on to the next gun. It's right... What gun should I pick? Okay, it's this one. It comes with 2. I'm going to set this one right there. I'm getting that other one. It comes with 2. Here it is. Okay. The 2s are right there. They're really cool guns. They shoot really hard. Look, I'm going to load. I'm loading it. And you can tell my big box of bullets. I use the shoe box. Are right. You can. I don't want to dump it all out. So I'm getting each bullet out of there. Each bullet. Okay. Wait, that was a horrible. Here we go. Ready, guys? Ready? You can barely see the bullet. Oh my gosh. There we go. See, it's a really nice gun. You already know how it shoots, so what's the point of shooting 2 of them? Okay, moving on to the next gun. It is this gun. It's a really cool gun. It shoots hard too. It goes like... It shoots really hard. And I'm going to load it up. Wait, it's too much, so I'm just pause it. Here we go. Here we go, guys. It's all loaded, you can tell. I'm going to shoot back there. It shoots really hard. Ready? You keep on bouncing off and hitting the crash. What the heck? There's 3 more. Okay, that's it. It's like a really cool gun. I'm not kidding. And it's just really cool. Moving on to the next gun. It's this gun. It's really cool. You pull that. Wait, what? That's weird. Okay, whatever. It only works when a bullet's in it, but you pull that back and it shoots. You let go and it'll shoot right out of that. And it's really cool. I'm going to put a bullet in it. Ready? You can hold 2. And you can see there's a slot for 2 on each side. But here we go. Ready? You barely see it, and it's like a really cool gun. Like you hold it and then you let go and it shoots. It's like, there's the side of it. You can tell it's from Nerf. Wait, you can tell it's from Nerf. Well, all the signs backwards, but it's okay. Move on to the next one. It's this one. I'm getting the other piece for it. Sorry, guys. Sorry. We just won't care about that part, but there's a part that goes on, and then you load it, and then you shoot it. But you know what's cool about this gun? It comes with this. This isn't part of the gun. It looks like a gun, but it's not. You do this. You put it in there. Wait. You put it in there, actually. There's a little hole, see? You grab this part. You slide it in there. And then it goes like that. Then you put that in it. And then there's a little thing. I can't hook because you can tell it's just a whole thing. But you hook this part on your pants. And then you can like go like this, running. And it's just a really cool gun. And I'm going to load it up. Here we go. Nerf, you should get Nerf guns, like from, like Nerf, because their guns are really good. Here we go. Ready? Just really cool. You can tell that's from Nerf. Oh my gosh, why is it always backwards? Whatever. And it's a really cool gun, but what the heck is going on right there? Move on to the next. What the heck? Move on to the next. Okay, this gun. And I have a red one of these. I'm going to set that right there and get the red one. The red ones. Okay, here we go, guys. It's right here. You can be like, pop, 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 pop. But I'm going to load them. It's really cool. You can put one right there and another bullet to hold. Ready? I'm going to get another bullet and shoot them both at the same time. They're basically like the same gun, but only they're different color. Loaded. Loaded. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, put out. Move on to the next gun. The next gun. You see, I told you I had another one. And I'm truthful this time. What the heck? Okay, sorry guys. Well, yeah, it's this gun. The bag. I'm gonna load it up. It's gonna be loaded in 3, 2, 1. Here we go, guys. Ready? Wait, how do you do that, Coach Trick? Wait. Okay, it's in. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Is that it? One more. There. And it's the same. It's a really cool gun, you guys. So moving on to the next one. It is. I have another one of those guns. It's just so cool. Oh yeah. I don't know how it shoots. And this one's a new gun, so it's a new one, but it's the same one of those. I have literally 3 of them. But whatever, moving on to the next one. What is it? What gun should I get? Well, it's not really a gun, but it's a Nerf gun vest. I don't wear this thing in so long. I don't even know how it goes. Well, that's the Nerf gun vest. You can hold stuff, see, in those slots. You can hold things, and it's on each arm. And it's just really cool, so whatever. Moving on to the next one. It's a mask. It's a cool mask. I'm going to wear it. You can be just shooting when you're wearing the mask. What up? It's a blue mask and it's just really cool. Moving on to the next one. It's this gun. It's like, wait, where's the other gun? Okay, it's like the same as this gun. They're like literally like the same. Because they shoot the same. But this one shoots a little harder. And it's just really cool. Like literally, look. I already shot this gun. But look, I'm just going to put one bullet in it. Wait, what the heck? Oh, sorry guys. Look. See? And get this gun. I gotta get a bullet. It shoots the same, but only a little harder. Wait. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm forgetting that. Here we go. So it doesn't really matter. Moving on to the next one. It's a girly gun. Be like, doom. I'm just gonna put one bullet in it because what's the point of putting all bullets? Okay. Put it in there. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's like it has a girly design on it. Wait. Yeah, it has a girly design on it. Man, it's just weird. Why did I say weird? Really cool. So moving on to the next one. It's not a gun either. It's like a gun. Like it's like a target for a gun. And on the back, it already has batteries. Turns on. It plays music, but if you hit 50, look, mode. You hit mode on that button. See it? Here we go. The heck? Wait, so here we go. If you hit 50, hit that, and that, and that. It's just really cool. Yeah. So, and of course it's from there. Oh, here's the other piece to this gun. Here's the other piece. You can easily hook it on. It just looks weird longer. See, it looks like a pistol. Well, there we go. Move on to the next gun. It's this gun. It takes these black balls, you load it in, you put it in. I need to get all the black balls, okay? Put it in, load it, load it, load it, load it. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Now, it will only shoot if you put this on it. Because look, if you try to shoot a fit not on, it'll be like that. It won't shoot out. It'll just make the balls fall out. So you got to tighten it on. Here we go. Ready? Wait, guys, again. See? Get in. It ties your arms if you keep on doing it for a long time. Your arms start to get tired. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay, pushing. But you guys can't smell, but you can see now on the bottom there's oil. Like, see, it's like watery. It's like oil. This thing. Cause just like on cars, it needs like I don't know, but whatever. Move on to the next one. It is. I think, yeah, I got. It's not really like a cool Nerf gun. You get it from Burger King. I have this. Where's that disc for? It might be in here. Yeah, I think the disc is in here. Oh, Mr. Disc, where are you? Disc. Whatever. It doesn't really shoot that far anyway, so it's this gun. Okay, move on to the next one. It's this one. I got it from Christmas. You load it and you go like, well, like I said, you load it and you go like that. Loading it. I'm getting the disc. Wait a minute. Ah, the disc. Well, anyway, there's supposed to be a. I know it's a weird gun. It makes the bullet stick out. There's supposed to be a disc. You get in there. It shoots a disc and a bullet at the same time. But whatever. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It shoots really hard. And it's just a cool gun. Well, moving on to the next one. Wait, okay, here we go. It's right here. It's just like this gun, but this kind of like bigger. Like you have that same thing to load down, like that thing. You load it down. On this one, you load that thing down and then you shoot. And then you shoot, or whatever. I'm gonna put a bullet, 2 bullets. It takes 2 bullets. I know it doesn't shoot 2 bullets at the same time. You have to load it, shoot it, and then load it, and then shoot it. That's what happens when you like that. That's the gun, but I'm gonna shoot it for you. Here we go. Well, it's a zombie strike gun. It's just a really cool gun. Well, moving on to the next one. This video is probably like, I don't know how long. It's like a long video. It's this gun. It's a Jolt. jolt. How do you say this? Jolt gun, whatever. And it's like a little handgun. You can put it, and it's like a just in case gun. Like if you have a big gun, you run out. Someone comes. You're like, I have this just in case. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna load it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There you go. It's like a little handgun, but it's really cool. And then moving on to the next one. I have another one of these. It's just so cool. You already know how it shoots. Moving on to the next one. And when I'm done, there's a big pile of Nerf guns that I already been through, and I'm going to show you all of them that I've been through. The next gun is, no, it's not a gun, but I have all these extra ones for this gun. It's like an extra one. Well, so I have this extra one, and I have this extra one. I have 2 extra ones, and it's just really cool. Okay, so why don't we move on to the next one? It's not a Nerf gun. Some of these might not be Nerf guns. It'll just be like mixed noise. You could be like, it's just cool. And it's all orange, but whatever. Moving on to the next one. It's this gun. This one's not a Nerf gun either, but it makes noise. Ready? It's like a camouflage thingy. It's a really gun. Why is it really gun? A really cool gun. And I have a knife. It's not a real knife. It's like a plastic knife, but it's black, and you can like slice stuff. Like, it's just really cool. And put that out of the way. Moving on to the next one. It's gonna be a flashlight. That might hurt your eyes, guys. I'm gonna turn it off because it might hurt it. But like you shine it over there, and it's like you can attach it on your gun. Well, you can't. It's like a normal flashlight. I was kidding, but it's like I always wanted to find a way to attach it on my gun, so I turned on while doing that. It's just all blue, and it's just really cool. Moving on to the next. This gun is definitely not a Nerf gun, or it doesn't make no noise. It's like it used to shoot like a little. You get this from the Dollar Tree. It's like that's things in it. It got stuck for some reason. When you shoot, it won't shoot. It just like broke, but so you just have to make the noise like. Poof, poof, poof. It's just like so weird. Okay, guys. Moving on to the next one. This video is probably like 30 or like 20 minutes or like 30. I don't know. There are 2 Spider-Man walkie-talkies. I got this from like when I was like 4. You got that? You can hook it on yourself in right there. Hey, what up? What's up? Hey, I gotta get no. Wait. Sorry, guys. Wait. I'm gonna put this one. Hey. Oh, this. Hey. What's up? What's up with you? I want to keep my hair on. It's just so cool. Okay, so it's there. Remember. But this one somehow broke off, so you can't wear that one. But you still can wear this one, so. Okay, moving on to the next one. Man, this video is so long. It's not a gun. It's these. This is like the coolest thing ever. It's a thing that you look through, and then this is what happens. It's like a, what are they called? Whatever. You don't know what they are. You know what they are, but it transforms into a cool gun. That's why it has a trigger. And then you put a disc inside. I don't know where all my discs went, but that's to hold a disc. And then you put a disc right through that. And then you don't even have to load this gun and just set it in there and then you shoot it. You'd be like, well, yeah. It's really cool. Man, this video is so long. I have a pistol. It's a pistol. You go like, doesn't make no noise. It lost its noise. The thing that's cool about it is it moves. Ready? When you press the trigger, and it's all black. My friend Daniel gave it to me, and it's just like a really nice friend. Oh, here's the disc. Why was I not looking for it? It's a disc to the Burger King. Like place. Ready? I've not did this thing in a long time. Ready? Set it in there. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wait, I want to try to do something. 3, 2, 1. Wait. I'm a horrible aim. Wait a second. Wait. One more try. Okay, there. How to do that? Well, anyway, move on to the next gun. I said gun, so I had to get a gun. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna get all of them in one time, so I won't have to keep on coming over here. Okay. So there's a walkie-talkie. It's a black walkie-talkie. It's fake though. It's plastic, and it's just really cool. And I have another knife, but it's this color. And I have these things for another Burger King gun, but I don't know where they are. Well, okay, guys, move those to the side. I have this walkie-talkie. It's like a army walkie-talkie. That's why it's so like greenish. I have this walkie-talkie, and it's like I don't really care for this one, but whatever. Okay, guys, moving on to the next thing. And then all I have left is, I'm going to get all the swords. I have this lifesaver. This isn't really a sword, but it's a lifesaver. And this one is a sword. Guess where I got it? Disney World. It's like, and then you could be like, and you guys, well, and you can set it right back. Oh yeah, that's the wrong way. You can set it right back in. This one's a little baby one. Now hear the noise. It's really cool. Then I have this one I got from Davion. They gave me that blue dirty one, but he had a garage sale. And I got it for him. I got it for him like $5. You go like, oh gosh, wait. I gotta do something. Okay, whatever. I just hit the camera, but whatever. Moving on to the next one. All I have left is this little thing. But okay, done for this video. But look at all the bullets I have, though. I have more because I shot some. I'm going to get the big gun. I know I already got that big rifle gun, but I'm going to get the biggest gun. The Suns. Okay. For part 2, and this is all the guns that I just showed you and all the stuff. It's a lot of stuff. Well, bye. See you for part 2. But look at all the bullets that went on the drum, though. It's just so cool. But bye. See ya. Wait. Bye.